One model, 3 haircuts, and 3 hours.
Baji from Tokyo Revengers, Eren Jaeger, and Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titans.
Pass that tape, Baji!
6 months ago, I cut the Johnny Depp look on this model for my Spanish channel Por Los Pelos, for the video titled The Best Haircut for Long Hair. You can see it on my Instagram post. Today is coming for more, a lot more. Are you ready? He looks very happy at this moment. We'll see how he feels after I cut his hair into the Levi Ackerman look. First, I will part the hair on the middle and I will separate the front to the back using the comb as a guide. This will help me out to create a customized partition. To cut the perimeter, I will ask the model to stand up, and I will move his head forward to create some undercut in the perimeter. Cut a straight line on the back, starting on the middle segment. This will help me to keep his body straight, better eye level for myself, and better finger position. Continue the same straight line on the back. Observe how I use my fingers to compress the panel of hair prior to the cut. To recreate his frame, I will use the freeform cutting technique with the razor blade. Cutting from short to long, connecting the desired length on the chin to the previously cut length on the back. Using the razor blade on your fingers only will transform you into a real sculpture. It's super creative and liberating way to cut hair. Follow the pictures on the iPad so you can see what I'm trying to reproduce. The Baji haircut has density on the perimeter and long layers. To recreate his layers on this haircut, I would use condensed cutting with the twin combs. This is for sure my favorite technique to cut long layers. As you can see, the long layers I cut 6 months ago still look great. If you haven't seen that video, check the link on the description for a short version on this haircut. Follow me on Instagram for extra VIP information. You can see all the looks that I had done and which ones I'm going to be doing next, plus some behind the scenes short videos. At the end of this video, like always, I will announce which look I'm going to be doing next. Don't miss it! To add some diffuse layering on the crown area, I would use condensed cutting technique and twist the hair with the twin combs to create brand new layers. If you choose to use this technique, you got to count the numbers of revolutions that you do, and always end on a par number. On this case, I would use 4 turns. At that point, you can cut from short to long, from the front to the back. As you can see on the results, the layers look ideal and blended. Paste from 1821 will create flexible definition on the hair to define those waves. Looks like Aitor is still happy. Use paste from the middle to the ends. Now Aitor is going to show you how he does his own hair. First, he dries 75% of his hair with the towel and the dryer. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a like and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. It will be worth it, I promise, and I need all of you here. Let's go and help me out to get to those 25,000 subscribers. Observe the technique that he used to create the man bun. He pushed the ends to the bottom part of it. On the next look that I did on him for Eren Jaeger, I got his tips on the opposite direction versus going down, up. At this point, you can let it dry naturally or with the dryer until it's 100% dry. Now is the time to take it down and enjoy those amazing natural waves. Easy! Use Sun 1821 hairspray to accommodate the hair with a flexible and touchable feel. I love this hairspray, it's what I use on my hair every single day. If you like to see this model total transformation, next week I will do the Eren Jagger haircut and his man bun. If it's up already, hit the link.
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.